It's me again. This is actually a combination of two units. This is the innards of this unit are of about a 1976 Kenmore 7500 BTU with a Tecumseh AK reciprocating compressor and a large, very sizable universal electric fan motor. The outside is from I think it's like a early 90s, like 92 maybe, Kenmore by Whirlpool, 5000 BTU with a Matsushita rotary and a much smaller compressor. It's actually right there. Problem with that one is it has I think it's got a pretty major restriction because it'll run fine for about 5 minutes and then the amp draw just rises until the compressor goes off on overload. I'm not too interested in fixing that Kenmore. It's a really common unit and I don't have the tools to fix it yet, so I've just put I just put the shell, the top bar, and the shell, top bar, window frames, and the front panel off of that Kenmore onto the older Kenmore, which that's the outside that came off of that one, and there's all the other parts that came off of it. So its window kits, the vinyl perished, the front panel, one of the plastic clips on the top perished, and then those vents are just a little sticky, but I'll end up putting all that on the other Kenmore just so it's for the most part together, you know. Anyways, without further ado, I have it hooked up, so this thing is rated for 12.1 amps. It draws about 12.5. And I have it in an extension cord that's rated just high enough. So I'm just going to run this wheel fairly quickly. Okay. Also, the fan motor has been, that's a work in progress, but I think I got it. Kinda, but anyways, without further ado, let's kick the, yeah, there it goes. That's low fan. Kick the Tecumseh on. Have to kick it to high fan. This cord's not quite big enough, I guess. But as you can see, it's drawing about 12 amps, but it'll drop. It'll drop and then it'll come back up. Sounds really nice though. Yeah, now it's running fine. The fan, it's just that initial inrush current is too much. Yeah, for the most part. Yeah, I gotta put a bigger cord on. I gotta hook this thing to a bigger cord, but you can hear the Tecumseh goodness. And the fan's back, so I definitely need to put it on a bigger cord, but I at least was able to show you that this thing runs. This thing does good. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.